Hi, good morning. My name's Ren. Some people call me Bethany, doesn't matter. Right now it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm leaving with my dad in 15 minutes to do a fun activity, and that is jet skiing to Catalina Island. And I'm very excited for that because I love the ocean, love the beach. I haven't jet skied since I was like 12 or 14, somewhere around there, maybe 16, I don't know, it's been a long time. So I'm really excited to do that again. I thought that since I'm doing this and since I have a bad memory, I might as well vlog it so that I could watch it again and again and again, and because my mom also wants a lot of video. So I'm going to do my best. I'm not sure what I'll be able to get, so this might be a bit chaotic, but we're gonna see. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting for my dad. I'm all ready to go. And yeah, let's go. Hi. Sorry, since we're in the lobby it echoes, so I'm gonna be quiet. It's about 7:07-ish. We're about to walk to the jet ski place and start. And my hat, sunglasses, sunscreen on. All good? There's sea lions right over there on that buoy.
Oh, you want to hang on?
Look, Mom, middle of the ocean. I saw those cargo. They're over there. Getting sea lions at that buoy.
You really don't even need a life jacket with the wetsuit in the ocean. You will not sink.
In the middle of the ocean.
I'm not even holding my feet up. I know. No, weird how that works.
No.
Alright, we made it to Catalina. Going to town. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but right now we're just chilling. It's windy, it's a little cold. We still have about an hour. Apparently. We're talking about selfies. We still have an hour. Then we go back. why, because I'm a socially awkward human being, I was not able to close out this video while the day was still going on. So it's 7:30 now. My dad and I are back home. It was a really, really fun trip. Not something that you get to do every day, and I am very grateful for the opportunity to go on it. I am going to be super sore. My fingers felt like they were ripping out of the sockets, and they don't even have sockets. They hurt that bad. I have a couple blisters on my hands. My tops of my feet are raw from the swim shoes, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. I'm totally okay with injuries and the pain that I will suffer for the next few days because I won't be able to go to the gym, because I won't be able to move. And that's okay, because it was a lot of fun. I don't normally get to hang out with my dad a lot. So this was a really fun trip for us to do, very enjoyable. We didn't see dolphins, unfortunately. We did see a fin that we are assuming was a molu, I think they... Hi, editing run here. It's mola, or the ocean sunfish. So I'm sorry for saying molu. It's not, it's mola. They're called sunfish, but their scientific name is molu, which is a very pretty yet weird looking thing. We also saw some sea lions, but that fin could still have been a shark, just a very slow moving or sick shark. I'm very excited to hopefully one day do it again. Maybe, fingers crossed, I'll be able to. Maybe I'll actually drive the jet ski this time. Also, I'm just excited to go to the ocean a lot more and surf. Anyways, I have closed captions to edit, so I'm gonna go. And this is my closure. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it if you stayed all the way through. Now I'm gonna go. Thank you. Please subscribe if you want more from me. Bye.